Is your hard-earned cash stuck in PayPal limbo? Let's get it moving. First, the basics ensure you're logged into the correct PayPal account, where the funds are held. Navigate to the Send and Request section. Make sure you're selecting the option to send money from your PayPal balance, not a linked bank account or card if that's not your intention. Next, we'll tackle account limitations. Sometimes, PayPal might temporarily restrict transfers due to security checks, or if your account activity doesn't match established patterns. Look for any notifications within your PayPal account dashboard or emails from PayPal. Sometimes a simple verification step, like re-entering your password or confirming your identity, is all that's needed. Now, let's check your payment sources. If you're trying to send money and PayPal is defaulting to a linked bank account or card, and that method has an issue, your transfer might fail. Go to your account settings and verify that your primary payment method is correctly linked and has sufficient funds. You can also try adding or re-verifying a different payment method as a backup. Think about the recipient too. Double-check the email address or phone number of the person you're sending money to. A small typo can send your payment astray. Also, be aware of any transaction limits PayPal might have in place for your account type or country. These are usually found in your accounts limits section within settings. If you've gone through these steps and are still experiencing issues, it's time to contact PayPal support. Navigate to the Help and Contact section on the PayPal website or app. They can often provide specific insights into why your transfer is being blocked and guide you through the resolution process. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any PayPal transfer problems and getting your money where it needs to be, quickly and efficiently. Happy sending!